Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss an example for the situation rate of change. So given the situation, gravel is poured onto a flat ground at the rate of 3/20 meter cube per minute. So meaning that here we have dV dt is equals to 3/20. To form a conical shaped pile, so we have the keyword conical. So meaning that in here we have the formula V is equals to pi r square h over 3 with the vertex angle 60. So here we have a vertex angle 60 as shown in the diagram below. Compute the rate of change of the height. So here we have another keyword, the rate of change of the height. So meaning that we are interested in dH dt of the conical pile at the instant when t is equals to 10 minutes. Kindly refers to the cone or the diagram. So here we have the angle 60. So meaning that the semi angle will be 30. So based on the info, the tangent 30 degree is equals to opposite, where we have the opposite as r, and the h we have a height which is a adjacent. So the situation with tangent 30 degree is equals to opposite, where we have r, over adjacent, where we have h. So as we all know, tangent 30 is equals to 1 over square root of 3. So where we have equals to r over h. Next, kindly draft out the chain rule. So where we have dH dt is equals to dV dt multiply with dH dV. So based on the info, we have dH dV. So meaning that kindly refers to the formula V. So we have to convert the situation where we have V in terms of H. Here we have V equals to pi r square h over 3. Now our focus will be substituting the r so that all the terms become h. So by substituting the situation, r is equals to h over square root of 3. So where we have V is equals to pi h over 3 bracket r squared, where we will have h squared over 3. Simplify the situation, V is equals to pi h cubed over 9. Next, we need to differentiate based on the situation where we have dH dV. So in here, we are going to differentiate the situation with respect to h. So V is equals to pi h cubed over 9. So differentiate the V with respect to h. So we will have 3 pi h squared over 9. So finally, simplify the situation. dV dH is equals to pi h squared over 3. Next, we are going to substitute the situation. dH dt is equals to dV dt, where we have 3 over 20. Multiply with dH dV, where we have to flip the situation. So we will have 3 over pi h squared. So finally, simplify the situation. dH dt is equals to 9 over 20 pi h squared. In order to find the answer for dH dt, we need to find the value of h. So given the situation, the dV dt is equals to 3 over 20 and the t is 10 minutes. So kindly substitute the situation where we have when t is equals to 10 minutes, and the volume will be equals to 3/20. Next, what we have to do is to substitute the situation where 3/20 is equals to pi h cubed over 9. Rewrite the situation. So we will have 3 multiplied with 9/20 pi is equals to h cubed. So h will be equals to cube root of 27/20 pi. So kindly substitute the situation into the dh dt, where we will have dh dt is equals to 9/20 pi h square, where we will have 27/20 pi bracket 2/3. So simplify the situation, and then finally we have dh dt is equals to 0.0542, where we have meter per minute. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.